Yeah. Next topic is double slider crank chain mechanism. Double slider crank chain mechanism. So basically, kinematic chain consists of two sliding pairs and two turning pairs. So that is called double slider crank chain mechanisms. Next one is inverse of double slider crank chain mechanisms. So here also same many mechanisms involved. For example, the first one is elliptical travel. Elliptical travel. So this mechanism used, you can design the manifolds, some elevation of buildings and designs. Elliptical travel consists of same four links. This is also slotted bar. Slotted bar. This is also slider. This is also one more slider. Two sliders connected a fixed bar. Fixed bar. For example, this is also A, this is also B. 1 point on P. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elliptical travel consists of four links. The first one is slotted bar, considered as link 1. Slider considered as link 2. Fixed bar considered as link 3. And another slider considered as link 4. Okay. So in this mechanism, the slider A moves only from vertical position. The slider moves along only horizontal positions. So automatically the P point to some path is formed. The path is elliptical path. అంటే బేసికల్గా మీకు ఈ ఏ అనేది ఆ స్పాట్లో రెండే మూవ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు, సో బి అనేది హారిజాంటల్గా మూవ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు, ఇది ఇట్లాగా మూవ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు మనకి పి అనే పాయింట్ ఒక పాత్గా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఆ పి అనే పాయింట్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన పాత్ని మనం ఎలిప్స్ అంటాం. సో ఎలిప్టికల్ షేప్ వస్తుంది టోటల్. సో ఎలిప్స్ ఇంక్లినేషన్, ఎలిప్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫస్ట్. So the elliptical equation this one, this is the A, and this is also P, this is also B. So in this condition the main point is A, B. P is not midpoint of the AP. Midpoint is the kadandi. So midpoint lo pettinatlayite meeku ikkada ellipse shape raadu, circle form అయిపోతా ఉంటుంది. So AP does not equal to BP. That is the main condition. Okay. So here the vertical distance is y, the horizontal distance is x. Here considered. So this is also some point R and the inclination is some theta. So here the point is Q. Here x equal to PQ. Now determine the PQ value by using trigonometric. So here inclination also theta, here also inclination also same inclination. It means cos theta equal to PQ by AP. So that equal to x by AP. It is also equation 1. Cos theta equal to x by AP. At the same time, vertical condition low, y equal to PR. So you can take trigonometry sin theta. Sin theta equal to from triangle BPR, which is the PR divided by BP. So So PR is also called as Y. This is also BP. Here formed as second equation. So now two equations squaring and adding. It means cos square theta plus sin square theta. దీన్ని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. సో this square చేస్తే cos square theta, దీన్ని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే sin square theta. So here equation 1 and 2 squaring and adding. రెండింటిని కూడా స్క్వేర్ చేసి యాడ్ చేయాలండి. సో యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? This is also x square by AP square plus y square by BP square. So as per trigonometric rule, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So 1 equal to x square by AP square, y square by BP square. This is the elliptical equation. So elliptical triangle, by using you can determine you can design the elliptical shapes. So the shapes used in the manuals and building structures and constructions. Pause.